Okay, this is looking really great. Just really good shapes to everything. Um, Very impressed. I mean, look at these shoes. My God. Done the individual laces, the individual tongue. I mean, it's a kind of a good lesson for everybody is of like breaking things down into the shapes they're actually constructed from is a good thing to do. I mean, that had to be pretty complicated to make as one individual shape. Or it's not. It's just a bunch of things combined. My general thing I would say all over is don't combine. Unless it's part of a seamless surface. So, for example, here, um, I'm guessing these are all about the same shape and size. Like you duplicate it and then just adjusted it from there. Like, are these all? If we look at the object heads-up display poly count, for example, yeah, they're all essentially the same surface. Oh, well, maybe not all. That's just weird, but yeah, I think for the most part these are all just the same surface. And what that means is you can when we texture, for example, you can just UV map one and then just transfer attributes to all of them. Um, and that also goes like you wouldn't want these combined because then you can't control them separately like when you animate. So those should be separated. So maybe that happened when you mirrored it or something, but yeah, I mean, in all these cases, these should all be separate. Those two should be separate. These two, oh, the hands are separate. That's good. Maybe do something more with this neck opening there. That looks a little unfinished. A little concerned about how the head and shoulders is going to interact with this hoodie once we start kind of rigging it and moving those around, bending and stuff. It might be alright. Um, yeah, but this is looking really good. It's asymmetrical right now, but I guess just a little. Um, I tend to try to build everything symmetrically and then put the asymmetry in, like using the texture or something like that. So you might want to consider that just kind of well, except I mean that obviously is just a fundamentally asymmetrical object, but for this, um, we might want to make it symmetrical and then just paint the two sides differently to give it a feeling of asymmetry. Um, Hands, pretty good. Maybe a little flat looking. The fingers maybe could use some more depth in this direction. But mostly those are modeled pretty nicely. Yeah, there's some real good shape going on to here. The thumb's connection to the rest of the palm, that's really nicely done. Maybe kind of pulling up the webbing between the finger a little bit could be good. But mostly that's good. I mean, overall, this is just excellent work. Really great. Love the shoe, especially. Yeah, really good work.